Go to canva.com. Click on Create a Design. Search on YouTube channel art, and click on this one. As you can see, there are lots of template you can choose from. But let's use this one. If you look at this design carefully, you will notice that the channel name and other information are placed at the middle of the image. I will show you the reason why later on this video. Let's just go ahead and remove all this. Reposition the double circle shapes. Bring the name to the center. Edit the channel name to your own channel name. On this spot, we will just write new videos every Sunday. Let's change the color of the channel name. Let's use lemon green. Let's change the color of the double circle shapes. Let's use lemon green as well. Let's do the same for the others. Go to Element and search for camera. Let's use this one. Let's make the camera smaller in size. Okay, let's change the color of the camera. Let's reduce the size of the camera a little bit. Just place the camera at the front of the writing below the name. Adjust the size of the camera a little bit more. Perfect. Go to Element and search for stars. Let's use this one. Let's reduce the size of the star element. Adjust it a little bit more. Adjust it a little bit more. Let's change the color of the star element. Let's use lemon green for the star as well. Perfect, let's go ahead and download the design. Click on Download to download it. Download. Now, let's design a watermark. Click on Create a Design. Click on Custom Size. Enter width, 150 by height, 150. Click on Create New Design. Go to Element, search for YouTube channel subscribe square. Let's use this. Adjust size to 150 by 150. Let's use this as well. Drag it downward, and adjust the size, and increase the width. Let's go ahead and blend both colors. Perfect. Let's save the watermark design. Click on Download to download it. Tick the transparent background to remove the 4 white edges. Download. Go to YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio. Click on Customization. Click on Branding. Upload the banner image here. This is the reason why all your information should be placed at the center. And upload the watermark here. Tick the entire video, so that the watermark will appear throughout the video. Click on Publish to save your changes on your channel. Drop a comment if you have any difficulty.